Hey guys, today we're making some potting mix for our Japanese maples. Today we are making the potting mix and repotting our plants. We did some research and found out that regular garden soil, which holds water, is not good for our maples, as water should not stay in the soil and should easily drain away. A good solution is to make something that resembles potting mix for succulents, which was on the internet and was referred to as Al's Gritty Mix. The mix is 1 part bark fines, 1 part granite, and 1 part turfus, which is calcined clay used in bonsai. It was very hard and expensive to find these ingredients, and so we made the following mix with the ingredients that you see right now on the screen. Pine bark nuggets for 287 for 2 cubic feet, soil conditioner 319 for 1.5 cubic feet, perlite coarse grade 1697 for 2 cubic feet, and pea pebbles, 40 cents for 0.5 cubic feet. All of these items were purchased at the Home Depot. So, for the pine bark nuggets, this is to fill 1 to 2 inches of the bottom of the pot for water to drain fast, and ½ inch above after the potting is done, which will act as mulch. The plant you just saw on the screen right now is a finished product of what we're going to be seeing right now. So we're going to go ahead and make the soil. Our ingredients are 4 parts of the soil conditioner, 1 part of the pea pebbles, and 1 part of the perlite. Our measuring tool is our pot right here. And so the soil conditioner, I guess these are technically a finer version of the bark nuggets. And remember, the pine bark nuggets do not go into the mix. This is going to be acting as a base and as mulch in our pots. So not in the mix. We're going to do something with the pine bark nuggets later. So we're going to go ahead and grab our 4 parts of this. 1 more scoop. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to the perlite. Perlite coarse grade, this is the priciest among all, but 1 bag will go a long way. Perlite is volcanic glass that's heated up in a kiln, and when it is heated up, it pops up like popcorn. It's very lightweight. I got a bit surprised when I carried it. And it holds a lot of air, so lots of oxygen in the root zone, very important. And pea pebbles, we use this instead of the granite that was mentioned in Al's mix. Just 1 part of these. We're going to go ahead and put this into our mix. Remember, the pine bark nuggets do not go into this mix. And now, once we're done putting our materials, we have to thoroughly mix it. So make sure to thoroughly mix. And here we're going to go ahead and show you the finished product. And when I take it up for you, you can see the pea pebbles, the white perlite, all the little bits of the soil conditioner. Everything is really clear. And here we're going to take our pine bark nuggets and spread them evenly along the bottom of the pot. Now it should be spread evenly along the base. Make sure to not let the corners be lower than the middle, so everything must be even. And here we're going to go ahead and show you. So what we want is we don't want the soil line, or basically the top of where the soil is in the plant pot. As you can see, it's lower than the top of our pot that we're planting in. So let's put a bit more soil on top of our mulch to make sure that the soil line, which is on our plant, fits up with the pot line, which is on the top of the pot. And you can see that now it's completely even. We're gonna go ahead and squeeze the pot. This kind of loosens it, then compact it a little bit. And we're gonna try and pull out this tree. And you see, if you have any struggle with it, don't keep pulling. Keep squeezing until it comes loose and free. We don't want to damage the tree in any way. And don't worry if it makes a mess. This is dirt after all. And don't worry if the soil makes a mess. After all, it is soil. But we're going to go ahead and fill in the cracks that you see here with some of our mix. So just make sure you fill up the cracks all the way to the rim. Make sure to also spread it evenly. So now that we have our mix inside, we'll just put a little bit more, spread it out. And we're gonna go ahead and show you. Here is our flattened, smooth product. You can see the little text in the corner. But here is our plants, all nice and potted up. This is our Japanese princess. I don't remember which one this was. But that's all that we're going to be having for today. Here are our last plants. This is our phoenix. But I hope you liked our video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Put any constructive criticism or any ideas or thoughts in the comment section. Remember, we always love to hear it. But that's all for this video. Make sure to hit notifications and goodbye.